So today we had a cleanup event. We had 5 or 10 different volunteer members come up and clean the creek. They got down into the creek and they were cleaning out all different types of trash. We have 20 bags of trash and they did a really good job.
I'm here with my group, the Youth Volunteering League, to come and do a stream clean.
So today we're here at Cottonwood Creek Trail and we are hoping to be here conducting a cleanup of the creek. I think it's such an enriching opportunity. I think it's really powerful that regular students like us can come out here and make a difference in our community with something as simple as picking up trash.
One of the best things about Frisco is the residents of Frisco care about Frisco. If you look behind me, this is right here off of El Dorado, behind the shopping complex, right here at the park. And this is bags and bags and bags of trash that people pick.
Hey, we're Bright Academy Green Team. We're helping to clean up the school and also the stream at Oak Brook Park close by. So it's a beautiful morning. We have a great group of student PTA members as well as student families and teachers helping to clean up the school and the community that we serve.
Whenever you help someone, you help everyone, so it's just very powerful to help. We'll pick up anything we see.
The Rotary Club of Frisco came out as part of the Stream Clean program to clean up the streams in Frisco. We had a great turnout, a lot of members from our club and other members from the community, and if you get a shot, you'll see we picked up a ton of trash from the stream here today.
It's events like this that give it a small town feel. And I love the fact that people are participating. This is where the work gets done.
Thank you to everybody who came out today across the city. We have Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, volunteer organizations, so it makes a big impact.